Hey folks, how's it going? I'm Vaughn again with PvP, and Jason here. I'm doing his bike check for him. I guess he has a messed up throat today. So first, to start off with, he has a stolen convict stem with some big boy handlebars with some UGP grips, some weird kind of turquoise and white, with some extra rare Barons made by UGP. They're made of steel or some kind of other metal alloy. He has a 2011 stolen center, 100% chromoly. Has some Haro pedals with some tubular cranks, with Tioga tires, and front and back. He has a stock hub for the back wheel, and they're both stolen revolver. And he has a custom-made UGP seat, and that's a wrap.